Hakajing chon darbar mentagasi ka arpoterik unelur aja arpulai. Hari balakot ka kenta jengkeli kalami kejeng Ïania haprang ba Prestone tensong Menteri Jikatanat Parliamentary Affairs ba Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA jangka Tribunal Congress. Hakajing kapur kalami kejeng Ïania ru haprang ba Prestone tensong ba Adelbert Nongrum MLA jangka North Shillong. Hakabdi ba kejeng keren juk umenen ka sengi hakabola sot. Na kejeng keren na kejeng kesyat kejeng pensyat jikinong tray ka Mekla Cements Limited. Hakapor ba pelong ka public hearing hapa thang sky. Ba uba ada no rum ka sengi ulah sat nak jengkran jong kinong tai MCL ke ba pensyat ya ki pai ba nak bekan nak tin hindi ka ba uba ada no rum ka sengi ulah sim ka jengkran jong ui nak bakran nak tin di hapo yang ba tauan halo kan ni nak yang ba Prestone song lapan pa jong persya ba ulah kentu yo song kenor ke indo ba tauan ban weng no aswayaki.
It is an urgent matter regarding the demand challenging.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again would like to intervene. Again, under Rule 300, that the honourable member always gets up and says under Rule 300. The Rule 300 says that you have to quote a rule based on which you are bringing the point of order. Please quote the rule.
Yes,
so we cannot make
under
mockery.
Rule 300, for which another rules 282 personal explanation. I would like to explain. I would like to give the reference with evidence about yesterday issue. Like the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister did challenge me and asked me to bring evidence. So here I am to bring the evidence before you all through your respected chair, Mr. Speaker, sir. So, because why every time Deputy Chief Minister did demand from your respected chair to expunge, I feel that he's very expert in demanding expunging. But, sir, just let everyone be heard. I have already forward. No, sir. I have already forward. No, sir. I mean, I have already forwarded to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and as well to Deputy Chief Minister. So, only 5 seconds.
No, I will not allow this. I will not allow this. Let this not go on record. No, I will not allow this.
Sir, this is the speech.
This is
sir,
not the way that you bring your, submit your evidences.
So I'm here to speak the truth. What is black is black, what is white is white. Sir, with due respect, I would like to request your chair that kindly revoke what Honorable Deputy Chief Minister had requested through you to expunge whatever I make my statement yesterday.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you so much. Honourable member from Shillong North. He has even played the music inside this August house.
Because one proof.
This will not go on record.
Sir, let me just go the rules once again. See, the Honourable the senior most member, Dr. Mukul Sangma, he said he will follow the procedure. That is welcome. And I would also like to request honourable member from Shillong North, please follow the rules. If you want to substantiate the allegation made by you during your debate or discussion, please substantiate, but it should be as per the rules.
Yes, sir. Because of that reason. No, because of that reason, sir. That's why I will definitely follow the rules and procedure. Why not? I'm a legislator. I had been elected by the people, as expecting to represent issues. So, sir, with due respect, I have produced before you that this is a valid proof. So, may I request you, sir? May I know your mind whether you will revoke what you had taken a decision to expunge my speech yesterday. I leave with the wisdom as well, Deputy Chief Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is becoming a mockery of the system.
No, it's not mockery.
This cannot be allowed.
Who playing a mockery.
There is a way of doing things in the House. There are procedures to be followed, systems, and you cannot just simply come in and just start playing a tape with the
Deputy Chief Minister to
Sir, this is not the way.
Accordingly.
Sir,
Just
I demand
tell the House what you want to.
Deputy Chief Minister to react on this issue.
No. There will be no reaction. You address the chair. What needs to be done?
Yes, through
You please
through you,
address the
Mr.
chair.
Speaker, sir. Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. You see, I have bring the evidence before you. So since yesterday he challenged me that bring the evidence. I have brought today. So it is your wisdom. What
Mr.
is
Speaker,
your
sir.
duty next?
Mr. Speaker, sir, once again, I would like to submit. Let the honourable member from Shillong North know what I'm saying. My statement, my saying is this. The senior most honourable member from Songsak, Dr. Mukul Sangma, ultimately, after you expunged the statement, you said, yes, I will come up to substantiate according to the prescribed rules. So I would like to also advise Honourable Member Mr. Adelbert Nongrum to kindly follow the suits, to kindly also follow the rules, not by displaying right now the music, but please follow the rules,
What rules?
and then you come up, because still we have time till the end of this ongoing session.
Yes. No more discussion. You may please take your seat. We have many other business to be taken up. No more discussion. So we will now take up the zero.